Beginner-friendly nga ba sa Mount Patulao? My short answer is no. Panoorin mo tong video para malaman mo kung bakit. Mount Patulao is 811 meters above sea level. Estimated trail time is 6 to 8 hours, depende sa pacing ng grupo. Hindi beginner-friendly ang Mount Patulao if you don't have these 4 things. Good hiking shoes, trekking pole, gloves, at electrolytes. Invest in a good hiking shoes dahil malupa at mabato ang dadaanan. Prone ito sa pagkadulas kahit tag-init. Marami sa amin ang nadulas at na-injured dahil dito. Maganda rin na meron kang trekking pole for balance and knee support. Mababawasan nito yung pressure during the hike. At importante rin na magdala ka ng gloves dahil may mga oras na may wall climbing at rappel. Pinakahuli sa lahat, electrolytes. Kayo na bahala basta stay hydrated dahil walang silong sa Mount Patulao. Sobrang init pababa at nakakadagdag ng pagod ito. Staying hydrated will give you extra power para ma-survive ninyo yung almost 4 hours na init habang pababa. Kaya if you are planning to go to Mount Patulao, make sure to have these 4 things and condition your body for endurance. Ayun lang. If you think this video helped you, I hope you can like, share, and subscribe.